Hello adventurers, this is Bhanu Pundir, the trek expert for the Searching Souls. And today I'm going to discuss about all the essentials that are required for the BRAHMATAL Trek. Winter is one of the most cherished seasons for the trekking enthusiasts, offering incredible panoramic views of snow-capped peaks and serene white meadows. While these breathtaking vistas sound magical, they are only truly enjoyable with the right preparation and gear to elevate your experience. In this video, we'll go over the essentials required for the BRAHMATAL Trek, which is one of the most captivating winter treks in Uttarakhand. Famous for its frozen lakes and the stunning views of Mount Trishul and Mount Nandagunti, BRAHMATAL provides an unforgettable adventure. Now let's break down the category-wise essentials you need to carry for the BRAHMATAL Trek. Now let's categorize all the items in 3 sections to keep it easily notable for you. The first will be basic trek essentials. In this we will be covering all trek essentials required for the BRAHMATAL Trek. Second will be clothing or layering. Now we will cover all the necessary clothes required from the BRAHMATAL Trek. The third and the last will be personal utilities. It is all about small useful items required for the BRAHMATAL Trek. Let's get started with the basic trek essentials first. Let's talk about rucksack first. It should be of at least 60 to 70 liters capacity with rain cover. Will be all good enough for the BRAHMATAL Trek. Now your rucksack should be inclusive of a chest and waist straps to keep the weight equally balanced, as it should not feel uncomfortably heavy on sides or at the back. Now you can also check the trekking rucksack manufactured by Team TSS, the Searching Souls, at our website. The second is summit bag or day bag. The 10 to 20 liters day bag will be good for this trek. The day bag is specifically used during the summit climb, as during your summit push you will be keeping your rucksack at the base camp and will take only the summit bag with you, in which you will have to keep a raincoat, pack lunch and a water bottle. Now the third will be poncho or a raincoat. It is the most important trek essentials regardless of the weather prediction there. Raincoat or poncho is must. And if you would be looking to select in between raincoat and a poncho, we would recommend a poncho ahead of a raincoat, as it also covers your whole rucksack. Also, when buying a poncho, make sure to buy the adult size. If you will be carrying a raincoat, then please do not forget to carry an extra rain cover for your rucksack. The fourth is the trekking shoes. It is that most important factor of your whole trekking that everything else comes second priority, as you would be walking for most of the time. So choosing a perfect quality high ankle trekking shoe with at least water resistant property and with good anti-slippery sole is must. So for a detailed overview of how to select the best trekking shoe for your comfort trekking, we've made a separate video of it and already uploaded on our channel. You may check the link of the same in the description of this video. The next is the headlamp. A reliable headlamp will be helpful during the dark, in the evening or early mornings, ensuring your safe steps on an uneven terrain. Always do carry extra batteries of it in case of an emergency malfunctioning of the batteries or a low battery issue. The next will be the trekking pole. If you are looking to lower your trek effort by around 20 to 30%, then it is necessary to have a good quality adjustable length trekking pole. Basically, it works as a supporting tool to manage your weight while walking. Now the next is clothing or layering. Starting from the headwear first, for the daytime consider having a sun cap which will protect you from any sunburn, and during the night time you need to keep a woolen cap. Alongside, a neck warmer should also be used to protect sensitive areas like forehead, neck, ears in chilly windy weather. The next will be 2 quick dry t-shirts. The use of a quick dry t-shirt is essential in the daytime while on the trek, as it will help you keep dry and sweat free. But to protect from the sun, it is advisable to have a full sleeves t-shirt. The third will be thermals. The first warm layer of your clothing should be good quality warm thermals, as they protect you from the chilly winds and helps you keep warm and comfortable around. The next will be fourth, fleece or sweater. At BRAHMATAL Trek, where the temperature can plunge down to minus 15 degrees Celsius when sun will go down, it becomes important to have a good second layer. Mostly, fleece is used as the second warm layer, for which you may opt for a fleece sweater or a fleece hoodie as well. The final layer will be your down or parrot jacket. Do not try to leave any margin of error here when selecting it. Your jacket should be equipped with a cap or a hood to provide you with that extra warmth. Now here is more help you can get through our jacket specific detailed video, which is uploaded on our YouTube channel. How to choose a jacket for your winter treks. You may check the link of the same in the description of this video. The next is the gloves. The waterproof quality is must when selecting gloves for your BRAHMATAL Trek. Try keeping at least 2 pairs if one gets wet. The next is the 7th, thermal lower. 2 layers of clothing for your legs is must. So first, don't forget to keep a warm thermal lower which will act as your first protection. The next will be 8th, fleece lower or a cotton lower. It will be your second lower layer which will be used during the nights. Make sure your night lower is warm and comfortable. Now next, let's talk about personal utilities. Sunglasses with UV protection so that the snow around on a clear sunny days doesn't give you a snow blindness due to UV rays. A sunscreen with minimum 30 SPF is recommended. Sandals with good quality sole for the night. A moisturizer. The first aid kit is very crucial, and do not forget to keep any ailment specific medicine if necessary. Energy bars to keep yourself energetic on the trek. A perfect lunchbox. A good quality water bottle or a flask is must with insulation properties to keep yourself hydrated, drinking warm water whenever you will need it the most in that mighty cold out there. Also, do not forget to keep a photo ID proof. Now, lastly, here are a few toiletries to be mentioned that you must carry for any Himalayan trek. A toilet paper roll, soap and a hand wash. Wipes should be unscented ones. Toothbrush with toothpaste, a hand sanitizer, full body towel along with couple of hand towels. Now, here is a complete list below for your better understanding once again, and you may take a screenshot of it as well for you. Now, you can say that you are ready to conquer one of the most beautiful winter treks out there. The BRAHMATAL Trek awaits, offering breathtaking landscapes that will leave you with a memorable experience at every turn. So, with these necessities, now you are not just prepared, you are ready to dive into an unforgettable adventure that awaits with jaw-dropping scenic views of BRAHMATAL.